Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you this smaller size table runner. This is a granny rectangular pattern in rectangular shape granny pattern. You can see this is very easy to make pattern. You can make it as long and wide as you want, and you can use this pattern as a table runner in smaller size like I have made, and you can make a larger size to make a rug, or you can use this pattern in baby blankets or adult size blankets as well. That's up to you. So in this video I will share with you this pattern. So let's get started. So for this crochet project I am using a 3.5 crochet hook and a silk yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot like this. Then with the help of crochet hook we would make chains for our project. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way, make more chains. For this crochet project, you will need multiples of 4 chains plus one more chain. So I have made 17 chains. And to start, make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Then into this fourth chain from the hook, you can see this loop on the hook doesn't count as anything. 1, 2, 3. And here is our fourth chain. In this fourth chain, make double crochet like this. Then into the same chain make another double crochet. We have 3 double crochet stitches here, including first 3 chains. Now make chain 1 and skip 1, 2 and 3 chains. Into the fourth chain make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Chain 1 again, skip 1, 2, 3 chains. Into the fourth one, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Chain 1, skip 3 chains. Into the next one, 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and then 3. Chain 1 and skip 3 chains. Into the last one, make 3 double crochet stitches. Now this is our corner and we are going to work like this and then on this side. So we are going to make another 2 sets in this same chain of these 3 double crochet stitches. So for the corners we are going to make 2 chains, and in this same chain make 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and then 3. Make chain 1 and then chain 2 again, and in the same chain 1 make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. So now you can see this pattern here. Now make chain 1, and on the other side, in this same chain where we have made a set of 3 double crochet stitches, we are going to make 3 double crochet stitches for the other side. Chain 1, 3 double crochet stitches in this next chain after skipping 3 chains. Chain 1 in the next one, 3 double crochet stitches, and then we have this chain 1, and in this one we are going to make 2 sets because this one is also our corner. So make chain 1, and in this same chain where we have made 3 stitches already, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and we are going to make 2 chains, 1, 2 for the corner, and in the same space, chain 1 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Then we are going to make chain 1, chain 2, and here in this third chain make a slip stitch. So you can see this first round for this rectangular granny pattern. This pattern is really easy to make. Now we are going to work in this chain 1 space, so make a slip stitch in this double crochet after chain 3, then a slip stitch into the third double crochet, and then into the chain 1 space. And we are going to work in this chain 1 space, so make 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then in this chain 1 space 3 double crochet, sorry 2 double crochet because 3 chains are counted as a double crochet. So we have a set of 3 here, make chain 1, and in the next chain 1 space we are going to make 3 double crochet stitches, make 3 double crochet stitches plus chain 1 in these next 2 chain 1 spaces as well. Now for the corner we have this chain 2 space, make chain 1 in this chain 2 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, then chain 1 and chain 2 in this same chain 2 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Make chain 1 now, and we have chain 2 space for the corner. In this chain 2 space, double crochet 1, 2, and then 3, chain 1 and then chain 2, and double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 like this. So this is our pattern for the corner. In this corner chain 2 space we are going to make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet, and for the chain 1 spaces we are going to make 3 double crochet plus chain 1 pattern. So repeat the same pattern, and in this chain 2 space make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Same for this chain 2 space, and complete this round till the end. So I have completed the round, you can see. Now I will show you how to change the color as well. If you are interested to make this pattern with changing color, you can also make it in just single color if you want as well. Make a slip stitch into this double crochet stitch and then a slip stitch into the next double crochet. To change the color, we are just going to make a slip stitch with this changing color yarn in this chain 1 space. So make a slip knot of this yarn first, and then make a slip stitch into the chain 1 space with this yarn. So this is how we can change the color. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet, and in this chain 1 space make 2 more double crochet stitches, chain 1, and 3 double crochet stitches into the next chain 1 space. So this is how we change the color of yarn for this pattern. And in this simple pattern we are just going to make 3 double crochet stitches in every chain 1 space and chain 1 in between them, and for every chain 2 space of our corner, we have 4 corners here, we are going to make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet stitches. So with this pattern you can make it as long and wide as you want. You can use it to make crochet baby blankets, you can use adult size blankets, you can make shawls with this pattern, and you can use this pattern to make cowl neck, and many other crochet projects can be made with this pattern. You can make rugs with this pattern as well if you want, and table runners are the most suitable project for this pattern. You can add little flowers at the corner side or at the center part of this pattern as well if you want, and if you are a lover of flower work. So that's up to you. I have given all of the ideas you can use for this project, you can use for this pattern. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.